Hi there, it's Tally, and today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a second item to a ticket or starting a new ticket within the same transaction. As you can see here in the demonstration, I've already estimated my first item, a lady's diamond solitaire ring. Items can now be added by selecting Add Merch for general merchandise item or Add Jewelry for a jewelry item. For this example, we will add merch. Enter the manufacturer and/or model of the item. For this example, we are going to be using the PS5 1015A model. Answer all of the condition questions, these can be optional or required, and confirm the amount you want to loan is correct. Then select Next to advance to the next screen. There is now a 2 in parentheses. Selecting the number 2 displays both item descriptions and amounts. If another item needs to be added to the same loan ticket, add merch or add jewelry again. If an item needs to go on a separate loan ticket, then select general merchandise or jewelry from the right drop-down menu over here. For this example, we will select jewelry, complete the information on the item in the jewelry estimator, confirm the amount is correct, and then select Next. Notice how that item is on a separate line. This indicates these are 2 different tickets. That's it. 3 items, 2 loan tickets, 1 transaction. For additional assistance, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.